What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $1,800 in free stocks right away, plus a big discount on trade ideas. Check it out. Alright guys, we're going to make this video super quick, probably 5 minutes or less. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can make money and save some money this weekend. Like really good. All right, the very first one is going to be on Webull. You can get up to 5 free stocks. Well, not up to, you can get and will get 5 free stocks by opening up an account with Webull. Link in the description and comment section. I'm gonna leave the main one in the comment section. All right, everything that I'm going to talk about here, easy to find, comment section, pinned comment by me. All right, now you click it, you download the app. Okay, you hit the thumbs up on this video because this is a last minute video I'm showing you so you can make some money, and you put any amount of money, deposit it into that new Webull account, automatically bang, 5 free stocks you're gonna get. All right, and I'm gonna show you right here what it all looks like. So I tweeted this earlier. If you don't follow me on Twitter, in the description section you have all my social media. So right there, bang, Twitter is right here. I'm going to leave the link obviously pinned in the description section. You click it, it's going to take you over here. Get 5 free stocks when you open a new account. Bang, that's it, done deal. All right, the other thing you can do is while you're at it, Christmas dinner, you can tell your aunt, your grandma, hey, I'm going to send you this link. Click it, download that app, and fund your account there with $5, $10, whatever, anything. That's the way it works right now. And you're gonna get 5 free stocks, and then you are gonna get a referral bonus. So you're gonna get more free stocks. So by the end of the weekend, if you wanted to, if you hustled enough, all right, Hustle with JesseW, name of the channel, you probably could have made yourself a few $100 over the weekend. Oh my God, the market's closed, I can't make any money. Yes, you can. Get yourself on Webull and do what I'm telling you right now. All right, it's a no-brainer, no-brainer. Let's say at a minimum, they do 5 free stocks at $5 a pop. You just paid yourself lunch. You got some extra ones because of the referrals you just set up over the weekend with the family and friends. Boom, you just paid yourself your gas for the week. I'm serious. You know, you got to start thinking in those type of terms. You know, that's how you really start making that extra money on the side and free up capital to invest and chase after that passive income you really like. All right, so go ahead, take advantage of that. Next, this one is going to be about saving money. All right, most people I've ever talked to, one of the very first scanners I ever used, trade ideas. Everyone wants trade ideas. I want trade ideas. I want to use Holly, the AI, artificial intelligence. I want to use trade idea scanners. You know, everyone always constantly. Well, a few times a year, they do a 25% off coupon code. That's available right now. Okay, that one is available right now. Boom. All right, you only got 4 days, 7 hours as of the making of this video right now to take advantage of this deal. 25% off trade ideas, link down there in the comment section. Just click it. It's going to take you right to this. You're going to go bang, click, and go see the subscriptions that are available. You'll pick what you want. You want to do the monthly, you want to do the yearly, whatever it is, boom, take advantage of that right away, because they don't do these 25% off more than a handful of times a year, and I'm talking about 2 or 3 times a year is the most I generally ever see. The 25% off code, the 25% off deal. So take advantage of that. The Webull, this obscene amount of free stocks you can get, this doesn't happen as often as it used to way back in the day. So right now is the time to take advantage of this, because you can easily stack up a ton of free stocks. Like, there's no reason why by the end of this weekend you didn't make yourself at least $100 or more with free stocks between your own sign up and your referrals that you get over the weekend with friends and family. There's no reason, none whatsoever. All right, so make sure to take advantage of both of these deals, especially the Webull one this weekend. All right, guys. Any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. I really hope that you guys enjoy your Christmas with your friends and family. All right, remember, Monday we will be back on the live stream at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. pre-market live stream. We're going to go ahead and, scan the markets, build our watch list, and get ready. Also, remember, Monday is free chat Monday. Free Discord link in the description and comment section. You can come join me, and I'll be streaming all day Monday in the Discord as usual, but for free, because it's free chat Monday. So come hang out with us, come join us all week long. This week we gave away tons of Christmas presents. We're talking about tablets, NFTs. We gave away a trader award. We gave away free one-on-one with me. We gave away some scanners. like a whole month paid off scanners. It was a really fun time this weekend. We gave away a bunch of merch as well, random raffles and contests on the stream. All right, so come on over. I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and haven't. And if you're not new and you still haven't subscribed, what are you doing? I'll catch you guys on the next one.